Welcome to day 7 of Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. This is Sneha, founder of Stress Less with Sneha J. And I hope that you are enjoying this meditation, and I hope that you are getting a lot of value from it and it is helping you develop a mindfulness practice. Today, on day 7, we are going to practice a meditation called breathing and noting. So what we will do in this presentation is we will note our breath coming in and out, and at the same time we will also focus on different body parts and see how that helps us bring more focus and awareness to the present moment and to what we are feeling inside our body. So let's get started. Find a quiet space as usual and find a place either on a chair, your meditation pillow, your cushion, or lying down. If you are sitting, make sure that you're sitting straight, your heads are on your lap or thighs, your back is straight and comfortable. Make sure that your feet are touching the ground. Close your eyes. If you're anxious while closing your eyes, you can also look down and gaze a few inches away from your feet. Slowly bring your awareness inside. Connect with your breath. Notice your breath coming in and out. And as we notice, now we are going to mentally note our breath coming in and going out. In this practice, you don't have to slower your breath. Just let it be as natural as possible. And while noting our breath, we will also move from one body part to another slowly. In. Out. In. Top of the head. In. Forehead. Out. In. Nose. Out. In lips and out. In ears and out. In back of the head and out. In neck and out. In shoulders. In both hands and out. In chest and out. In abdomen and out. In upper back and out. In lower back and out. In hips and out. In thighs and out. In knees and out. In calves and out. In shins and out. In ankles and out. In feet and out. In toes and out. In the entire body and out. Connect back to your breath at the nostrils. Slowly bring your attention back to your body. Allow gentle movement of your fingers and toes. And slowly open your eyes. In this moment, notice how you felt after the meditation. What are your feelings? How calm are you feeling? If there was any anxiety prior to the meditation, did that change? Did the stress that was before the meditation change? Was there any other emotion that was difficult to go through, and did it change after the meditation? Always make sure to journal after every meditation. It helps you to note your progress in meditation, and it helps you to see where you are when you first started and now where you are at. If you enjoyed this meditation, make sure that you share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel, and if you have not registered for this 21-day meditation challenge, go ahead and register below in the description. Thank you so much again for watching this. Namaste.